Hey, welcome back to Footwear Fabric News. I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
And here we're going to show you a couple cool new things. So to start off, I wanted to talk about the Christmas mystery, which is upcoming. This is just our normal, whenever we do it, mystery kit that y'all probably have seen before. If not, definitely go check out our past ones on our website. If you go to digital patterns, you can scroll through any of those. Those should have full of our mystery kits. So this next one coming out is our Christmas mystery. This one's gonna be using your typical Christmas-esque colors with a very unique design is what I've been told. Ooh. Don't know what that means. I guess we'll have to find out because we're not told anything either, by the way. We're part of the mystery with y'all, being honest.
I have no idea what it is.
It's going to be a lap-sized quilt. You can put it anywhere. It's gonna be, I don't know, yay wide and yay long, you know, typical lap quilt. So yeah, that's gonna be our Christmas mystery quilt kit coming up. So make sure to be checking out on our website. Another place
is our Facebook group. Make sure you go to our Facebook group. I think you can go to our actual store Facebook page, and then there's also a way you can get into our group within that, and you can go talk to other quilting people if you have any questions, or you're trying to find some friends that can also quilt alongside you, all that kind of stuff, or any questions that you have for us, you can go there. So the name for our Facebook group is the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. So again, go to the Facebook page, you'll get connected with that, and you can start asking questions, meet some people, all those kind of things, figure out what we have coming out very soon, like the Christmas mystery kit.
Any information we have about this new Christmas mystery kit will be released to that Facebook group first. So if you're in there, you will be one of the first to be notified that, hey, this is when we're selling our mystery kit, or hey, this is what fabrics it might be including, and things like that. So any information regarding the kit will first get released onto the Facebook group, and then you'll see it onto our website. So that is definitely the best place to go and keep up to date with us on our mystery kits. So on that note, I wanted to show off our last mystery kit that we have just finished. We still have a couple available, so if you really like how this looks, go and check it out and get it now. Also, this pattern is completely free on our website. If you go to, like I said before, digital patterns on our website, you should see our Stay Spooky Halloween mystery quilt kit. And if you want to use your own fabric, the pattern is completely free there, so go check it out. Here we can show off this mystery kit.
The Stay Spooky.
You got your pumpkins, you got some houses, you got some stars, all in your Halloween colors of orange and black.
There's some jack-o'-lanterns on there, some ghosts, some orange and white, black and plaid.
So yeah, like I said, this pattern is completely free on the website. So if you don't like the fabric we chose for this, feel free to go online and find the pattern for free on our website, and you can make it yourself. This kit was $82.96, and it is 58 by 68 inches long. So, like I said, it is on our website, both this kit and just the pattern by itself. If you want this kit, you're gonna have to look up Stay Spooky Mystery Quilt Kit, and you will find it there. We have a limited stock left, so make sure to check this out if this was interesting to you.
So next, we have a table runner. So this is our So Charmed table runner. It is, I believe, 12 by 48?
19 by 48.
19 by 48. This is it already put together that we'll show y'all. This is it whenever it's packaged. This is how it will be given to you. As you see, it comes with a 5-inch square. The pattern for it is right behind that, and you got your fabric for it as well. You can also see that it is going for $28.96. So we'll also give y'all a little bit of a show for this. Ooh, real festive. Got some poinsettias.
This looks quite easy to make. Yeah, I would have to say this looks like it's beginner friendly.
Very beginner friendly. Yeah. Be on the lookout for this. They are going very quick. We just put them up and they're going very quick. So make sure you hop onto the website and get you a So Charmed table runner.
And then lastly, what I want to talk about is something new we have just done. We just sent them out, I think like 2 weeks ago. We sent out our first batch. It's something we're going to call the Sewscription box. This is a monthly subscription box that we personally have curated and put items in with it. Basically, it's like our mystery kit. It's sort of a mystery to you what you get, but every month it's something different. And this will contain, you could get, who knows, fabric, fat quarter bundles, string, scissors, like any other notions like that. It could be really anything.
Yeah, sometimes kits.
There could be, honestly, I don't even know. That was just a couple examples. There could be anything in the subscription box. We have already sent out our last one, our first batch, like 2 weeks ago, and our next batch is to be released on November 12th. If you are interested in that whatsoever, make sure to be up to date with our website. They are gonna go quick. There is a limited stock on them. I think you can sign up for 3 months at a time. This subscription box is gonna be priced at $69.96. I know that is a bit more for your subscription box of what you would expect, but I think all the contents in the last box added up to like $90.
Jeez.
So I'd say you actually get a little bit of a steal. You get some extra out of that. If you're interested in what was in our first box, we don't have any because we have sent all of them out, but I do know there are a couple people that did some reviews on YouTube about it, so you can go check them out. If you're interested in that whatsoever, be sure November 12th is when our next ones are gonna be put up. So
and be ready though, because they go so
very fast. Our first ones I think went within like 2 hours, so be on top of it. That is everything we wanted to cover in this week's news video. So to start off, we talked about the new Christmas mystery that will be coming out in the next couple weeks, so keep your eyes on that. One good place where you can see that
is the Facebook group, Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. So make sure you go in there and get all linked up with that, so that way you can be up to date on everything that comes out.
It's very beginner friendly in there. You can talk with anyone about anything. You can probably see all of our past mystery kits, like photos from people making them. So if you want to see what some of our past kits may have looked like with different fabrics, I know people have posted that in there, so you can go check out the gallery in there. Next, we talked about the mystery kit we just finished, which was Stay Spooky Halloween mystery quilt kit. We still have a couple left, so if you are interested in that at all, go check that out.
Then we have the Sew Charmed Table Runner. So make sure you go and get that for your festive times coming up, since we're getting into the holiday season.
And lastly, we talked about the subscription box, which was the monthly box that we release and has a bunch of cool notions, fabric, kits, bundles. Who knows?
Randomness.
Who knows what's in it? You never
Craziness.
know. I think that'll do it for this news video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. There's a comment section down there. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, any statements, we do like to read those. So, and we do respond to them as well. So if you have anything to say, or we might even bring up a question in the next video. Who knows? Be sure to put anything down there. Subscribe if you're new here, and you can hit the little bell next to it. That's a notify button. It'll basically give you a notification when we release our next video. I think that does it. Thanks for watching.